Today's story is called Sunny the Yellow Bird. High up in the tallest tree of the forest, in a snug little nest, a family of bluebirds welcomed their newest arrival. But when the egg cracked open, out came a bright yellow bird. The baby bird, Sunny, chirped happily. The bluebirds looked surprised. The mama bird said, "Oh my! Look at his bright yellow feathers. He's different." The papa bird said, "Different, yes, but he's still our little Sunny, and we love him just the way he is." As Sunny grew up, he noticed something. All the other birds in the forest were blue, just like his family. And when he tried to play with them, they didn't seem to understand him. The other birds whispered and pointed at Sunny. One of the bluebirds said, "Look at him. He's so yellow. He doesn't belong here." Another bluebird responded, "Yeah. Why is he so different?" Sunny looked sad and flew back to his nest. "Mama, why am I yellow? Why can't I be blue like everyone else?" The mama bird said, "Sunny, my child, being different isn't a bad thing. Your yellow feathers are special. They make you unique." The papa bird said, "One day, you'll see just how amazing it is to be different." One day, a big storm swept through the forest. The wind howled, and the rain poured. The bluebirds couldn't see through the dark clouds, and they got lost. The bluebirds were flying around in circles, confused and scared. One of the bluebirds said, "I can't see anything. Where's my nest? Where's home?" Sunny looked up and realized something. "Wait! My yellow feathers are bright even in the dark. Maybe I can help." Sunny flew up to the sky. His yellow feathers glowed like a lamp. "Follow me, I'll lead you home." The bluebirds followed Sunny's bright yellow feathers through the storm. They made it back to their nest safely. One of the bluebirds said, "Sunny, you saved us. Your yellow feathers are amazing." Another bluebird said, "We're sorry we ever made you feel like you didn't belong. You are the bravest bird we know." Sunny smiled. He felt proud and happy. "Being different isn't so bad after all," Sunny said. "It makes me me." And from that day on, Sunny knew that being different wasn't something to hide. It was something to celebrate. Because the things that make us unique are the things that make us special. We are at the end of our story. Thank you for watching Sunny the Yellow Bird. I hope you loved Sunny's adventure and learned that being yourself is the brightest way to shine. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to join me for more fun stories, songs, and adventures. See you next time for another exciting journey. Bye for now.